Arco, quality by tradition. The Intelligent Plumber presents ConeKta, Arco's registered design. It's very useful when you install products that make your work easier, more comfortable and intelligent. As connector valve, it lets you connect two services with only one installation. One-piece body, 0 leaks. It's 360 degrees orientable, making it very accessible. Handle design with a quarter-turn system. In addition, it has the innovative anti-lime VITAQ system inside. It protects valves from limescale, enlarging their useful life. The best thing is that you can install it following 3 single steps. First, unscrew. Then, insert. Finally, connect. And that's it. Connector valve is really useful because you can have 2 services with only one installation. ConeKta. The easier, more comfortable and intelligent solution. Always Arco. Don't risk.